What's up, everybody? My name is AJ Pedersen, and I'm the team leader of the Advisory Realty Group at eXp Realty. On this page, you're going to learn everything you need to know about the Minneapolis-St. Paul real estate market, what it's like to eat, sleep, play, live, and learn in the Twin Cities area. If you like the content we're putting out, tap the bell so you get notified when we post future videos. Throw us a like, comment, ask a question, or DM us. We'd love to interact with you. All right, so now on to the video. Today, you're going to learn the 12 things you need to know to host a successful open house. Number 1, advertise it. Of course, if you're an agent, you're gonna know how to do this, but maybe you're a for sale by owner and you're not sure what to do. Portals are out there for you to advertise your open house. Places like Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia.com are great places for people to look and find that you have an open house and that the home is available. Number 2, strategically pick your time and day. Majority of open houses are Saturdays and Sundays between like 12 and 3 p.m. These are typically times when people are available. We have seen some success as well with Thursday or Friday kind of happy hour type open houses between 3 and 6 p.m. Number 3, we will often do this, and it's a great way to get more people to come to your open house and generate some buzz. Invite the neighbors. You can just walk around, knock on the doors, let people know that the home's for sale and that it's going to be open at a specific time. 4, and this is only if you really want to go for it, but you could create an open house block party. You could sit outside, invite people in, advertise even more than maybe you would on a normal open house, and really create a party for your seller to give them the best chance to get the most people through. 5, remove clutter and some personal items just to make sure that the home is properly staged and looking as good as it possibly can. 6, I mentioned staging. It's super important that your home is properly staged and ready for people to walk through, and it's inviting for them to come in. If your furniture maybe isn't perfect for the layout, the design, and aesthetic that it should be, talk to a stager and get some staging furniture actually brought in to make your home as good as possible. Number 7, we may not need to mention this, but make sure you keep your pets out of sight. Don't put them in a dog in a kennel in the corner. Make sure you take the pets out of the house so that people can walk in and not feel like they're getting crowded by the animals that live in the home. 8, greet guests as they enter. It's always good to see a smiling face when someone walks into an open house, and so you should be there smiling, ready to introduce yourself and talk to them about your property. 9, and again, only as people are comfortable, but use a sign-in app. There are apps that you can put on computers, phones, iPads to gather people's information, to know what they thought about the house, but use discretion as you're doing that. 10, provide refreshments. This is often a way that people can feel more welcomed and invited into a home. If you got things like bubble water or snacks, any sort of light refreshments that will make people feel like they can hang around for a little bit longer and enjoy the property. Number 11, use handouts and brochures. If you don't have a nice quality listing flyer on hardstock paper, you definitely should get one. That way people can leave your open house with more than just an MLS printout on a regular sheet of paper like they might get at other properties. It helps you to stand out, and it helps people to remember the property after they've left. And last but not least, number 12, create a video walkthrough tour. This is gonna help people understand if they like the home before even showing up. It'll get the best prospective buyers into the house because they have a better idea about what they're walking into before they get there. So there you have it, the 12 things you need to know to host a successful open house. If you have additional things, just drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts about hosting a great open house and what's been successful for you before. As always, if you want to learn more about the Minneapolis-St. Paul real estate market, tips and tricks and other things to understand how you can best stand out in this marketplace, or you just want to learn a little bit more about our area, tap our bell, subscribe to our channel, throw us a like. We'd love to have you on our channel, and we'd love to interact with you.